show you how to go about using the Loyal Bonus website and to be able to create a store, set up a business that can do a lot. All you just need to do at the opening page is just to log in. You click on login over there, it takes you there on how to log into your business. You click on business login, yeah, to be able to log in your business. And take, for instance, there, it shows you the page to log in. Exusia at gmail.com. Let's just use an hypothetical business name. I'll put in our password in there and we'll log in into the business. So from then on, we'll just continue. You've seen the disposition of the business, Exusia Associates. We've got 30% off. We've got a bonus for after 4 visits. Loyalty is really intact. I've got a QR scan. A very exciting thing about this business is that it's got both an online and an offline platform. So if you take your phone with the app on it and you go to any store, you can still scan using the QR scan. And it's just amazing. Take, for instance, you click on the QR scan here, you can see it, you can print it out, you can take it to the stores, and still get your loyalty bonus intact by just using the QR scan. So that's something very amazing about our business here. You can see the QR scan for Exusia Associates. You can see it over there. So straight after this, we move straight to creating a store. So you click on create a store and it just takes you to the page of possibilities. You can see the add products or services and you can just click on add products or services. So it gives you two options, on how to add your product or service. You've got 3 steps you have to go through in doing this. You can add a product or you can add a service. But let's go through adding a product first. A lot of people love products out there, things they can see and touch physically. So real quickly, you put in the product name. Every product has got a name. In this regard, let us say we want a Microsoft Surface. Yeah, let's put in a Microsoft Surface over there and put in a product there that people can buy and be part of. A Microsoft Surface Pro 4. Afterwards, we need a description. So you've got all the formats there. You can bold in description. You can play around with description. You can justify it and everything. So you can put in your description over there. And afterwards, you can see all the description there. 1.60 gigahertz, 4-core Intel Atom. The functionality and everything about the product there is a description. You put a price range for the product, and this is the price of the product. The quantity available, the quantity you have in your store is another very important fact. If you have 20, 30, 10, and there's a stock policy, something that guards and guides the operation as regards in the store. So the product here has a 14-day return policy. That means if you buy the product in the space of 2 weeks, you can return it, and afterwards, then you might not be able to return it again. You need a picture, to be able to show the power of the product. Like I say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So you need a picture out there that can, show the disposition of this and how you can put this in and how the picture can just sell the product even more excitingly. So you put a picture over there. You can put 1 or 2 more pictures over there, very exciting pictures of the product, different views of the product. And all you need to do is to click available in stores and ship via DHL, right? The product can be available in the store and you want to ship via DHL. So there's a specification there. You have to select the states you're shipping to. You have to select the city in the state, and you just go through that process, all right? So where is this item from, for instance? That's a big question you need to ask yourself. Let's say it's from Lagos, the center of excellence. Let's say it's from Ikoyi local government area or Ikoyi area of Lagos, and you need to put in the height, the dimension. So there's a little bar over there. The height, for instance, has to be in centimeters. The height, width, and depth is measured in centimeters. And please, it's important you enter the correct dimensions of the package that you'll be shipping this item in. The weight is measured in kilograms, so please give accurate total weight of your item, box, or any wrapping cushion that you may use in this package. It's really important, to aid the shipping process because these are the things DHL will take our time to check out. So here we put a particular height, let's say 38.60. Let's say the width is about 23.4. Let's say the depth is so in fact, you need to get the actual dimension. It's important. So that's the actual dimension of the product. The actual depth of the product here is 4.10. So you have centimeters, and the weight of a product is 0.77 kilograms. So that's the actual weight. After all of this, you save and you continue because this is going to help you as regards to shipping, so they will know how to calculate. So you can see the product over there, the pictures, the bonus, obviously the 30% bonus is there. So from about 240,000 to about 168,000. You can see the return policy, you can see the store pickup, and you can see the description of the product and everything that's regarding the product. You can have an option there of adding more products. You can see the store policy in there. You can add more products, but you can save and continue to continue this product and to finish up the process. And the last process here is to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you do that, which we encourage you to read carefully, you submit the product to the store. And just like that, the product is already in the store. So that's add a product. You can also add a service just by following that same step. All you need to do is to click on add service this time around. Three processes, three magical processes. You click on service. This time around, you put the name of the service, project management, let's say project management training and certification. You put a description for the service in there, and this description pretty much gives you a guide on what the service looks like. You put a price range for the service, yeah. So the price range is about 40,000 naira. Quantity available, how many times you want to take. So as regards the quantity available, you can take this course online, which is unlimited. But if you want to take it in person, that's in a class. Let's say we have 15 people in the class, and we have a multiple times you can take that course. Let's say 15 times, 15 people in the class times for 1 week. You know, you can get 150 times, for instance. And the more you take it is based on the availability of this course. There's a store policy to it, you know. This offer might be on based on how available is it in the store, offer based on availability of the particular product and service in this case, and you know, and it's also based on the schedule for the year as it is a product management class. Upload. You upload your picture in there. You put your picture in there, picture that represents product management. You can put multiple pictures there. And it's pretty much, you're good to go once you can put the pictures in there. All you just need to do is to save and continue. And once you do that, it takes you to that last phase. Yeah, here you can see the description. You can see the price. The bonus has obviously gone in there from 40,000 naira. It goes for 28,000 naira. All right, and that's a 30% loyal bonus discount. And the description of the product, the store policy, and everything available in there. All you need to do is to save and continue. And once you do that, you get to the last phase. We always encourage you to read carefully all the terms and conditions. And afterwards, you submit to the store. And hey, your product is right there in the store, ready to go. As simple as that.